In this video, let us solve problems based on slope of line. Alright, here we've got a problem which reads like this. It says, find the slope of a line whose inclination to the positive direction of x-axis in anticlockwise sense is 60 degrees. So we know that this is exactly, in fact, what we discussed in the previous video when we looked into the definition of a slope. The theta, it should be measured with the positive direction of the x-axis in the anticlockwise direction. That's exactly what's been said here. So the theta is 60 degrees here. So we have to find the slope of that particular line whose inclination to the positive direction of x-axis is 60 degrees. So slope is given by m equals tan theta, right? So m equals theta is 60 degrees here, tan of 60 degrees. And so what is tan 60 degrees? Tan 60 degrees is nothing but root 3. So therefore, the slope of that line whose inclination to the positive direction of the x-axis in the anticlockwise sense is 60 degrees is root 3. Alright, so let's quickly solve another one. So now we have to find the slope of a line whose inclination to the positive direction of x-axis in an anticlockwise sense is 0 degrees. So it's the same thing here. All you have to do is find the slope. So it's given by m equals tan theta or m equals tan of 0 degrees because theta is 0 degrees. And therefore, m equals tan 0 is nothing but 0. So therefore, the slope is 0 here. We have another one. In this case, it is find the slope of a line whose inclination to the positive direction of the x-axis in an anticlockwise sense is 150 degrees. So now very different. M equals tan theta or m equals tan of 150 degrees. Since 150 degrees is not a standard angle, let us solve it in the way we should. Tan of 150 degrees can be written as 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. So it is 90 plus theta, right? So 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant. So therefore, and the second quadrant does not belong to tan. Therefore, it will be negative. And 90 makes tan cot, so it is minus cot of 60 degrees. All right. So what is cot 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So cot 60 is going to be 1 by root 3. It will be negative of 1 by root 3. The slope is minus 1 by root 3 in this case. All right. So, and we have another one to solve before we conclude this problem and this video. It is find the slope of a line whose inclination to the positive direction of x-axis in anticlockwise sense is 120 degrees. So let us solve it in the similar way. We have m equals tan theta or m equals tan of 120 degrees, which can be written as m equals tan of 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. And m equals, it'll be again minus cot of 30 degrees. It's just the angle changing, but the other concepts are the same. It is 90 degrees in the second quadrant and all those things. So m will be equal to minus cotangent of 30 degrees, which will be equal to negative of root 3. So therefore, the slope of this line, whose inclination to the positive direction of x-axis in anticlockwise sense is 120 degrees, is minus root 3. All right. So this, what you have to really take away from this video is it's just like a warm-up to solving more complicated problems based on slope of line. And it's more of revising the concept of the slope of line that we did in the previous video. We just kept it simple and, we just understood that finding the slope of line equals m equals tan theta. And the theta has to kind of satisfy certain conditions, that it has to be inclined to the positive direction of the x-axis and it has to also be measured in the anticlockwise direction. All right, so those are the things that you really have to take away from this video. And that ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on slope of line.